Hi, I'm Jeff from Jeff's Bronco Graveyard. I'd like to welcome to our June new products video. Our first new product are these filler tubes. These are for the 78, 79 Bronco. We've had these produced, brand new, just like original. This is the tube. When you go to the gas station, take your gas cap off, stick the nozzle in, this flows into here, and you have your gas hose, and then your tank. We had these reproduced just like original. Got the vent hose on it here. This here is a 78 in my hand. That vent is in rear of the fill, and then 79, they moved that over to the other side. We have both of these available. The 79, we left the flapper out for the unleaded. Nobody needs that anymore. Again, brand new filler deck tubes for the 78, 79 Bronco. And our next new products here from the Bronco Graveyard again, we have this reproduced. This is the 80 to 96 Ford Bronco and F150 four-wheel drive TTB slip yoke for the front. Dana made these for Fords. Ford obsoleted it years ago. Dana obsoleted it about 2 years ago. We have a great supply of these. These are all brand new, heavy-duty steel construction, really nice piece. The slip yoke for the TTB 80 to 96 Ford Bronco, 80 to 96 Ford F-150 four-wheel drive. These also fit the Ranger with the TTB 35. Our next new product is the C4 pan reinforcement bracket. We've had these for the early Bronco, which is 73 to 77, but that pan configuration is different. This is for the ones for the trucks and the cars. All two-wheel drive F-Series, F-100s, F-150s with the C4, and all your cars that has that. It's a different configuration on the pan. We've had it reproduced. Laser cut, galvanized so it doesn't rust. So what's nice about this, those Ford pans were all tinny kinda, so when people try to put a new gasket in, they can't get the torque right. So what you do is you drop the pan, put one of our lube locker gaskets or a nice gasket under it, up in place, and you can put the bolts and you get a nice uniform fit all the way across, stops all the leaks. Again, C4 reinforcement pan bracket for the cars and trucks. And our next new products are these taillight harnesses. These are for the 73 to 79 Ford truck, 78, 79 Bronco. These are really nice, made here in the United States. So basically, we have the basic, there's 3 different ones. We have the basic one, which gives you new tail light and backup light sockets and side markers. And it comes with the wires, and you have to wire that into your current harness. Then you can go to the upgraded replacement. It's the same thing, but it gives you waterproof harness connectors on that one end, and you put the other ones on your end, and you have a waterproof connection there. And then we have the deluxe kit, like this one here. This comes with a trailer wiring in it. So what's nice about this, it gives you the bracket, everything you need. It's got the 7-pin right here. Also has the 4-pin. So if you want a smaller trailer, you got that. It's a really nice kit. Does the tail lights, backup lights, side markers. Comes with the waterproof connection right here. Ready to go. It even gives you the license plate lights, the bulbs, and the mounting hardware. Again, replacement harnesses for the taillights for the 78, 79 Bronco and 73 to 79 truck. And for our June web truck of the month, we have Mike Munch's beautiful 75 Bronco. He brought it back from the grave, brand new body, nut and bolt restoration, extremely good build. You'll enjoy the video. Thank you for your support. Hope to see you again next month.
It's a 1975 Bronco. When I got it, it was bad. It was real bad. So I did every nut and bolt on it. Redid it in my garage.
Okay.
And painted it. I rebodied it because the body was just, it was shot.
Yeah, throw away.
Yep, but I rebuilt the engine in my garage and the transfer case and yeah, everything. It was a project.
All right, what do you think was the most challenging part of the project?
Oh, I don't know. I didn't really know painting it, I guess, was the most challenging because I had never painted anything before.
Okay.
So.
Wow, it was spectacular. It
Thanks.
turned out very nice.
Thanks.
All right, so you did the drivetrain. Is it a stock drivetrain?
Yeah. Yeah. Just tweak the engine a little bit, but it's all the original drivetrain that's in it.
Okay.
So.
Which is what, 302?
302, yep, with a C4 automatic, yep.
How do you use the Bronco?
Just running around out to the beach and stuff and driving around town.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Why 74 Bronco for you?
I've had a few Broncos over the years, and I was just looking on Marketplace one morning and this thing popped up and I was like, I'm buying it.
That's your next project,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Okay, if you were to go back and redo something, what would it be?
I'd probably paint it again. Yeah, 'cause I think I could do a better job if I did it again.
All right.
I'd like to put the drop-down running boards on it when you open the door. But other than that, I don't know. This is only this second summer that I've had it on the road, so I'm still working some kinks out and
Working it out.
getting to know it a little bit. But yeah, so far so good.